Hey guys, it's Patriot Gaming. And welcome to another review video. Today we have the iHome Power 4-port USB charging stand. Would you look at it? It has a built-in phone stand. It can charge 4 devices at once and it's ETL certified. I got this item where I got the earbuds at Big Lots. Here's a 360 of it. I didn't bother to take the security sticker off right here. Let's get into it. I have my knife here. Never mind the phone. I try not to cut the box like I did with the earbuds. Okay, it didn't cut. Pull it out. It's pretty simple packaging. We get the metallic background. We have the box, empty box, and we have the device itself along with this little blue thing. Here's what it looks like. It's all black. It's just black plastic with a plastic plug and a plastic rope for the plug. Here are the 4 charging ports. Looks like one of these are USB 3 and the other might be USB 2. Here, I'll set my phone right here. It's supposed to be a phone stand, so not have it blink. But it's supposed to be a phone stand where you can plug in other things on the back. Let me plug it in. I have a USB and power port plug down here, so let me untie this and plug it in. If I can get it undone. There we go. There's this little plastic part on here. Peel it off. There you go. Untangle it. It's a pretty long cable. It's decent size. Plug it in. There we go. It's plugged in. I'm just making sure it was plugged in. And set my phone in. There we go. There's my phone. It may or may not be a wireless charger. I'm not sure. Didn't say it was on the box. It says place your phone in the convenient built-in stand. It doesn't say it charges it. So let's test out the charging. So I have the cable. And I have the earbuds I reviewed. I will leave a link to the video in the description or in the iCard. Plug it in, and it's charging. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. It was a quick review and unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you want more unboxing and reviews and 1 week reviews as well. All right, guys. Cheers.